What happens when you leave a bath bomb in slime for 24 hours? We found this bath bomb in Walmart that has the same colors as our watermelon sugar crunchy slime. Once we placed the bath bomb inside, it was time to start the clock. After an hour, I was nervous that this experiment wouldn't have any fun results. The bath bomb sank a bit and tiny bubbles formed around the bath bomb with faint strands of color that seemed to shed off the bath bomb. But once I came into work the next day, I was very excited. The bath bomb sank to the bottom of the tube of slime. It looked like an alien with dark green and smoky strands floating away from the bath bomb. Come back next week to see what happens to the bath bomb after 7 days.